Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to donate to fundraiser on Instagram post. Instagram users are able to donate money to non-profit organizations. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and open the user's profile who is organizing the fundraiser. Click on the fundraiser under the bio or tap the post with the fundraiser icon. Find the Donate to Fundraiser icon in the bottom left corner of the post and press on it. Hit the Donate button. Enter the amount of money you want to donate and then go step by step to complete the donation process. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to donate to fundraiser on Instagram post. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.